No, we'll go here now.
I'd like to go that way.
No, we'll go down here.
I'd like to go that way. You can walk away. Dad, I can hear noise again.
Yeah.
I hear again. Mommy, you're making noise.
Annika. Yeah, we're slowing down. It's okay, we're safe. No, we're going normal speed. Okay, and then when we get to the two concrete blocks, we get off the bike and we walk.
Yeah, I want to walk.
You can sit on the bike, but I'll push you on the bike, okay? You want to sit on the bike?
Yeah. Oh, we can go down there.
Yeah, we go down there. So, Baba push you on the bike.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah?
That fountain is stopping.
That, yeah? Yeah, that's actually the pipe.
That fountain is stopping. Yeah, it's not working anymore. Not today. You're pushing me.
Push bike, push bike.
Mommy's running too fast.
We'll catch her. We'll catch mommy. Oh, look, doggy running.
Bye, doggy.
Yeah, okay, now we ride up a steep hill. It's going to be fun.
Okay.
Mommy go first or Papa go first?
Papa go first.
Okay, I'll go first. Yeah, one gear, first gear.
I go there.
Yeah.
I go there. Oh, it's so hard to go.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so hard.
Yeah.
No shoes.
Annika, pedal hard, hard, hard. Hard, hard, hard.
Pedal's so hard.
Yeah.
It's too deep here.
It's a bit steep, yes.
But we need to just go on.
Yeah, we go slow. We go slow, but we go up. You see, we go slow, we go up.
Mommy's calling us. I can hear the sound of the rock.
Yeah, you know the rocks are moving under.
You're making that noise.
Yeah, the tire making a noise.
That's not
Are
making
you having fun? Oh look, there's a small kid on the bike.
on a block, on a pedal bike.
Yeah,
With a pedal on it.
yes.
Daddy's gonna do. There's other people riding bike too.
Yeah.
Are we still riding?
Yeah. Let's go to the road.
Yeah, bike was on the road. On this road?
Yeah.
Oh, road is for cars. Not the Is this a free?
Let's wait for mommy. Mommy's coming.
I'm so
wanna go faster? Oh look, there's a bike across from us.
He's so fast.
Yeah. Oh, we turn left here to go into Rice Lake.
Here,
Yeah.
but this is deep tree.
No, this is going down to the Rice Lake. Let's go for the bump. 1, 2. Whoa!
But there might be stairs here.
Yeah, there might be spares. Oh look, there is car. Yeah, we're at the Rice Lake.
I don't need to walk.
Yeah, you don't have to walk when you got here.
What? I don't have
Okay,
to walk.
let's park our bikes here at the little sitting booth. Yeah. We go up the road.
Daddy,
Yeah.
go that way.
No, we go up the road now. Mommy's behind us. 呢度斜，落翻底波啲。係啊，係啱嗰個泵質，而家冇咁拖啦，而家冇咁斜啦。突然間一個位係斜咯。係啊，嗱呢度有暗斜。係啊，你踩得多你就慣㗎啦已經。Okay, we're gonna turn right. Ready for a bump? Bump, bump. Yeah. Wow, fast. Don't lean forward, Anka. Don't lean forward. Sit down on your seat, please. Okay, we'll go faster. But we gotta wait for mommy, okay? Where's mommy?
I don't know. Is she there?
She's behind us somewhere. Oh, she's behind us. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna turn left.
No?
We're going this little fun trail. It's called the side trail.
What?
It's fun. This is a nice trail. We'll go slow here. Whee! Look at all the trees. We're going through the trees, Annika.
This is like a jungle.
Yeah, it's fun. It's like a jungle. That's right. It's nice and flat. It's got lots of trees. It's not dangerous at all. Whee!
And I have
No big rocks. That's right. Mommy doesn't like big rocks.
I don't like this rock either.
Yeah.
You like
Maybe one day we can take you to here to borrow your bike. But you got a bike here though.
I go to
Yeah. Yeah. See, mommy's. It's fun for mommy too. Okay, let's keep going.
What's that sound?
Her brakes are still very noisy. Noisy, noisy. Yeah, very noisy. We're almost done this little loop. We're almost done. Yeah, and then see, we're back on the road. Yay!
Where's the coffee?
Yeah.
Where's the coffee?
Where's mommy? Mommy has noisy brakes. Very noisy brakes. 有啲有凳坐啊。Okay. She wants to go somewhere else? Sure. Oh, we're going to a picnic table. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy.